the noise. We're not actually going that fast. 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe with a 2-liter turbocharged motor. Cars come in from another shop with the claim that it needs a turbocharger, that it has failed. Code stored is P0299, which is the classic kind of universal underboost code. Driving the car tells me something different though. It's noisy. A turbocharger typically doesn't make a lot of noise per se, unless it's grenaded. What does make noise is intake leaks. All right, step number one is a visual inspection of all the hoses coming from the turbocharger through that intake charge piping down into there, into the intercooler down there, which will access through the front bumper. And then we went in with the scan tool and did a live data stream on our boost pressure, and we can clearly see it's under. We could also do a smoke test, put smoke into the system, but I'm pretty sure the problem is up front. I think it's going to be fairly visible. Let's go through there. So what we're looking at right now is the intercooler for the turbocharger, not the turbocharger itself. It's what's cooling the charged air going into the engine. It's leaking, and it's leaking so badly that the whole body is kind of separated at the bottom there. The shroud is popped off. Should be an easy fix. All right, so that's pretty obvious there. Look at that. Ooh. This is the new piece from the dealer. All right. Let's put it back in. All right, so let's take it for a little drive. Oh, look at that. It's actually getting up and going. What a difference. It's amazing to drive the vehicle from one moment to the next. No power to instant power. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope I helped in some small way. Lou from All About Imports. Oh yeah, it's a high horsepower car now.